Hello, in this video I want to show you how to power on and off KODAK PIXPRO. And to do this, first make sure that you have a battery placed inside, like I have right here, and also make sure that your battery is fully charged. I mean, it doesn't need to be fully charged, but make sure that it's at least charged so that it can power your camera. If not, then connect the charger into the plug right here. You can check our video on how to charge that specific camera as well. Now we want to look on a power on and off. Click on it once. You'll see that the LED lamp starts flashing, and that means we have a power. And next thing is to format our SD card when it's the first time you're using it. Otherwise it won't work. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.